I don't want to die, but I'm not afraid of dying.
Why?
Why? I know I'm going to heaven.
An East Texas man braces for his fate. Tomorrow, Robert Roberson is set to be executed. He was convicted in 2003 for killing his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. Well, on Tuesday, a court in Anderson County rejected his latest plea to buy him more time.
But a group of lawmakers in the Texas House of Representatives hopes a hearing today will shed more light on this case. KVUE's Jessica Cha is at the Capitol right now to tell us more about the hearing and what they're hoping to do. Jessica?
Well, Rob, the Texas House's Committee of Criminal Jurisprudence is set to meet today at 10, and they will be talking about the junk science provision that went into effect in 2013 and how lawmakers say that it's supposed to bring relief to people like Robert Roberson and those in his situation. So the chair of the committee, Representative Joe Moody, who covers the El Paso County area, says the junk science provision is to create a path of relief for someone convicted under science that was standard at the time, but is now proven to be debunked or is outdated. And if that happens, a defendant has the chance to get back into the court system to raise the issue. He says in Roberson's case, he was convicted of killing his daughter by shaken baby syndrome. He says 20 years ago, the medical factors presented allowed for no further investigation, and Roberson was held responsible. And Moody says now science shows that shaken baby syndrome has largely been debunked. He says the hearing is to discuss the junk science law and have a conversation.
And I want to shine a bright light on what is happening, because if we move forward with an execution of someone that we think possibly was not involved in the commission of a crime, that is something we can't undo. We can't unring that bell, and that would be a tragedy that would stain the conscience of Texas for years to come.
And if the execution were to go through, Roberson would be the first person in the country to be executed for shaken baby syndrome as the foundation of the conviction. Now, Moody says prosecuting attorneys, Roberson's defense attorney, and the experts that can talk about the science underlying shaken baby syndrome have all been invited to come to the hearing today. That's in just a couple more hours. Back to you guys.